Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove OneDrive from Windows 11. So I will be showing you here the easiest way to do that. All you have to do is go to your settings. On your settings here, what you're going to do next is you have to look for apps and features. But actually, if you go to your start menu and then type apps and features, you will see it right away. Okay, so here on your settings, you just have to look for apps, tap this one. And then below, what you're going to do is go to the search icon or menu and then type OneDrive. So if you see OneDrive right here, then what you're going to do is tap and then click uninstall. Now, if you want to make sure that all files has removed or has been deleted, you can now exit this part right here. So to proceed, just click uninstall and then you just have to wait as it is installing. Now you can also exit this part right here, and then this time you have to look for your local C. Okay, so let me search first. Okay, File Explorer, open. And then this time you have to look for accounts, go to the left side, and then here tap users, tap user again, and here you are. You can now search for OneDrive. So here it is. Now I'm going to open and then I'm going to delete all of this, or go to your OneDrive folder, right click and then delete. So basically, what is the advantage of deleting, or what is the advantage as removing OneDrive from Windows? So what are the advantages of removing OneDrive from Windows? Of course, free up system resources, more storage space, no unwanted syncing, faster boot times, better privacy control, and simpler file management. So that's how easy it is to remove OneDrive from Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.